So I use the VCBox V6 Plus and I'm here to teach you how to set it up step by step in 2025. First, take the VCBox V6 Plus out of the box, connect the power adapter to your device, then plug the HDMI cable into your TV's HDMI port. Next step, turn on your TV and switch to the HDMI input where the VCBox is connected. You should see the welcome screen if not, try a different HDMI port. Next step, go to Settings, Network, choose your Wi-Fi network, and enter the password. Wait until it says connected. For the fourth step, once online, head to the System, Updates, select Check for Updates, and install any available updates. This ensures your box is still running the latest firmware for speed and stability. For the next step, which is step 5, open the App Store and on your device, search for your favorite streaming apps like YouTube, Netflix, or Kodi. Click install, wait for each app to finish. For the final step, open the app you installed, sign in with your account info. Now you're ready to stream movies, shows, and more. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.